First time ko makakita ng coyote. Diyan. Asan siya? Kendrick, coyote oh. That's my first time to see one. Ito, Maggie the coyote. Mami, coyote, ayan oh. Parang malaking fox lang siya, no?
I can see it. It's like a dog. Is it gonna work?
It's like a big fox.
Bakit ganyan yung structure ng body niya?
Ganyan siya eh.
It looks so horse and dog. Parang medyo iba siya.
Yun ang coyote. At ang panghi.
So we speak something from the trash. Wait, you saw a real raccoon while you were driving, right?
Oh. Ayun siya, parang malungkot siya.
Bakit ka malungkot?
Cats ba sila? Ano bang raccoons? Hindi sila cats, di ba? It's a different...
Dog sila.
Dog? Hindi naman.
Anong dog sila? Bakit?
Yung mga monkeys yata yun nandyan eh. Ayun na yung fox oh. Fox yan!
Fox like
Yung orange.
few seconds,
Alis.
coyotes.
Nakaganyan lang siya.
Ano may umuupo dali. Ayan yung fox oh. And here's another fox.
Kala ko po coyote.
Hi.
Aww. Ang cute ng eyes. Do you know that foxes are in the canine family like dogs?
Oh, malis na siya.
Ah! This was
Ayan na siya.
Look at the beautiful face on that fox.
Alright.